Thinking about running an Airbnb in 2025? Or maybe you're already hosting and wondering if the struggles you're facing are normal. The truth is, hosting can be rewarding, flexible, and even life-changing. But it definitely comes with its own set of challenges. In this video, we're breaking down 6 common challenges of Airbnb hosting in 2025 and giving you practical solutions to handle each one. Let's jump in and help you become a more confident, stress-free host. Local laws and legal issues. One of the first and biggest hurdles many hosts face is local laws. In some areas, short-term rentals are heavily restricted or even banned altogether, and regulations are changing constantly, especially after the pandemic. Starting your Airbnb without understanding the rules could get you in serious trouble. Solution: always research the local laws and zoning regulations before listing your property. If your area is restricted, speak directly with local authorities or a property lawyer to see if there's a legal workaround or permit available. This step might take time, but it could save your business. Keeping the place spotless. Let's face it, guests expect hotel-level cleanliness. And even if you do 90% of the job right, one hair in the shower or dust on the nightstand could lead to a bad review. The pressure is real, especially with tight turnovers and last-minute bookings. Solution: hire a professional cleaning team or work with a trusted cleaner who understands short-term rental standards. Use a cleaning checklist to make sure nothing gets missed, including those easy-to-forget areas like under the bed or the inside of the microwave. A spotless space equals 5-star reviews. Check-in, check-out time chaos. Can I check in early? My flight got delayed. Can I check out late? Sound familiar? Inconsistent guest timing is one of the most common headaches for hosts. Solution: set your check-in and check-out policies clearly and communicate them before guests arrive. Allow some flexibility if you can, or charge a fee for early or late changes. And always give guests an easy way to request schedule changes, ideally 24 hours in advance. Demanding or difficult guests. Most guests are great, but once in a while you'll get someone who expects 24/7 attention, asks for unreasonable favors, or simply can't be pleased. This can wear you down fast, especially if you're hosting regularly. Solution: have clear house rules and boundaries from the start. Include these rules in your listing, your welcome message, and inside the property. If a guest crosses the line, stay polite but firm. And always communicate through Airbnb's messaging system to keep things documented. Property damage accidents happen: spills, broken glasses, even damaged furniture. But sometimes it's more serious: a wild party, vandalism, or costly repairs. It's one of the biggest fears for hosts, and unfortunately it's not uncommon. Solution: take photos and videos of your space before every stay. If damage occurs, report it quickly through Airbnb's Resolution Center and provide evidence. If the guest refuses to pay, Airbnb can step in, but you need to act within 14 days. And always make sure you're covered by Airbnb's host guarantee or a solid insurance plan. Negative reviews. You can do everything right and still get hit with a bad review. It happens to everyone, and it can be disheartening, especially when it feels unfair. Solution: respond calmly and professionally to negative reviews. Acknowledge the guest's experience, explain your side, and, if appropriate, share how you're improving. Other potential guests will read your response, so show them that you're a thoughtful and proactive host. Bonus tip: a small gesture, like offering a discount or freebie, might even turn a bad review into a returning guest. Hosting an Airbnb isn't always smooth sailing, but with the right tools, mindset, and preparation, you can handle any challenge that comes your way. Want more tips, checklists, and resources to make your hosting journey easier? Visit marveloushost.com and grab our free guides and checklists for Airbnb hosts. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!